Hi guys, today I will explain how to create Trust Wallet account. This process is simple and easy, and the method for both Android and for iOS is same. The first thing is download the application from Google Play Store or from Apple Store. And once it will be downloaded, click on it to open the application. This one is the first interface. From here, click on the option Get Started. Here are two options, create new wallet, and the second one is add existing wallet. If you already have an account, then click on the second option. But I don't have, so that's why I will click on this option, create new wallet. Select one of these, but I think the second one is for beta, so that's why I will select the first one. Here it's saying backup secret phrase. Here are two options. The first one is backup manually, the second one is backup to Google Drive. The choice is your which one you choose, and if you take a look on the right top, you can see the option skip. But I prefer backup manually, so that's why I am clicking on it. This secret phrase is master key to your wallet. So tick on all and then click on the option continue. Due to security purpose of Trust Wallet, the next screen will turn into black. But you don't have to worry. Just take a look of my screenshots, which are showing just next to my mobile screen. You have to follow this step. This one is the secret phrase. So you have to remember all because it will ask in the next screen. So I am copying all. After copy, click on the option continue. Now here it's asking. The first one was after confirming secret phrase, click on the option confirm. Create your password for your Trust Wallet account. And now it's saying for biometric login. So the choice is yours, but I will tap on the option confirm. Now our account has been created. The last thing is tap on the option Start using Trust Wallet. As you can see, our account has been created. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.